Ahurea Kapa Haka Festival today. 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall.
Kia ora koutou, mōrena whānau.
Mōrena tātou.
Mōrena e hoa. Well, here we are. We are at Te Ahurea.
Te Ahurea Kapa Haka o te Tonga o Hokianga. So all our kura in Hokianga e whai come here today to do their mahi on stage.
I reckon, yep, from the south. And we've got, how many kura have we got here today? Anyway, we'll get back to that. Let's just talk about our pōwhiri, the first thing that we had this morning, whānau, our pōwhiri. And my mate here, she's going to tell us who our minister was.
Oh.
She's got all that info right beside her.
Oh,
come on, Eho.
Ka pai ai whānau, rawe katoa te āhua, te wairua i te ata nei, ai tūwhera mai tō tātou, hui i te rā nei, e pita naira, he tangata rongonui ia, ki konei, ki Hokianga nei, whānui, mōhio ana tātou kōwai a pita, no reira nāna no i tuku krakia i te ata nei, te tūwhera mai tō tātou wānanga, a tāhua hoki e whaia. You could sort of feel that. It was lovely, eh?
It was absolutely beautiful. The whole atmosphere inside the hall here. And the crowd, we had a bit of a crowd, I'd say 100 plus here, have come to awhi our little ones here, tēnei rā. So it was absolutely lovely, yes, it was, absolutely. Looking forward to a great day here at Te Kura Takewa or Opononi.
So if you're not too far, if you're not too far, come down.
No mai, haere mai.
There's whānau here in the community fundraising for different kaupapa whānau and for the community. So if you're not far from Opononi, no mai, hara mai.
Aye. So at the moment, whānau, they're just taking a little bit of a break, just setting up, getting everything ready for the stage, ready for our young ones to come out and start their performances, which will start, our first one, is at
10 o'clock.
Aye.
Ia, ko te kaukaraka ke, e kaputi ana te whānau e te iwi, and you know how that goes. So, but that's the choice thing about these sorts of kaupapa, because whānau come together. You get to see people you haven't seen for ages.
They do. So, you know, sometimes timing is a bit off, but hoi no. We'll get to the end of the day. So, and looking forward to a great day here with everybody. So, like Lani says, if you're local, if you're around, you know, no mai, haere mai. Why sit there at home and watch us when you could be sitting here and watching it live and direct?
And having a cake.
And having,
and whatever else is out there. I'm excited for lunch.
Yes, yes. I look forward to coming out when going out to Kapa Hakas and that, because you get to go and have a kai.
It must be, I reckon, because we're in Opononi,
what do you reckon?
Must be a mean chowder out there somewhere,
nice.
Eh? That's what I'm putting out there this morning.
Absolutely lovely.
Chowder for lunch.
Chowder for lunch, nice. Awesome, nice hot fry bread is on the go, I reckon.
I didn't finish.
No, our intro for our pōhiri.
Yeah. So our kaumātua who gave kōrero were Noema Kore Whā, Matua Pireni and Matua Wati, and also Matua Reretai Hauiti had kōrero this morning. And, you know, I went up there to film the haka pōhiri as they were coming in. And my video was 5 minutes long. That's how many people came in. So the haka pōhiri went for 5 minutes. So half of the hall was full. So we're going to have a good crowd here today, whānau.
Yeah, I'd say at least 100 plus, you know, nearly 200, and probably 250 with our tamariki all counted up, whānau. So.
Oh, ka pai, hey, awesome. I hear that the MC is out the back. So I'm going to, around the corner. So I'm going to go and grab him and and introduce our MC for the day as well, eh?
All right then, Pai. Yes, she is just around the corner. I think Ray has just gone to get her. Here she comes. Haere mai. Here she comes. Oh, kia ora. Where is she?
Kia ora.
Ko mai. So, ko wai tō ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Jade Rifi tope tōku ingoa. No wharinaki pākana i matangire hoki, ahau.
Kia ora, ko Neipe Korewha tōku ingoa, ko Omana ro ko Ahurea, tōku ahau. Kia ora.
I'm Lani.
And ko gladi tēnei. We're introducing ourselves. We should have done that in the beginning, eh, whānau? So, here we go. You're the MC, are you? Kia ora, ka pai. So, what can you tell us? Can you tell us anything? Have you got any secrets about being a great MC? I need some tips.
Greatest tip about being MC is turning up on the day and
That's
getting
it.
the job.
And getting the job done, huh? Kia ora. And what's you're gonna be up there as well?
They called me the adult MC.
The
but
adult
I don't know about
MC.
that. I like to think I'm just the older MC.
Okay, Jeff,
I'm just
true.
here to tautoko really.
Ka pai.
Keep the kaupapa rolling.
Making sure everything's
we try
going
to stay on time,
smoothly.
but let's be honest, Māori time, we're already over.
We'll get there, eh?
We're kia te taima.
We will get there, whānau. So there you are. You have met our MCs, the young one, very handsome, tall, young tāne here, and our adult one here. So our adult MC. So kia ora. Kia ora kōrua, thank you very much. Now where's my mate? She's taken off and she's left me here all alone. Haere mai, Lani.
I know, ko hoki mai.
Here she
Felt
is.
Like there wasn't enough space there for all that.
We'll make the space. We'll make the
ka
space.
pai.
So whānau, if you like us, this is live streaming, so tautoko on our page, ne? Yep, on Tautoko FM, our work page, Facebook page, you can get on and be with us for the 4 hours that we're going to be here at Te Kuratai.
Te Ahurea Kapa Haka o Te Tonga o Hokianga.
Or Hokianga, whānau. So
hang on,
should
how
we go
many
through
rōpū
our...
we got? Tahirua,
Toriwha,
Toriwha,
Rima, Ono.
Ono, Whitu, Waru. Iwa, 9. Oh no, 8.
Eight.
And then ko te
Eight.
himene hakamutunga at between 110 and 140 it says here whānau, but like our MC was saying, eh?
Yeah, Māori time. When it happens, it's going to happen. So, you know,
Must
bear
be
with
some
us,
good
whānau.
cakes on
Bear
that
with
table.
us.
Must be some good cakes on
Cake
that
stalls,
table.
yeah, that's our next stop.
You're
We'll
all
go
having
out there.
cup of tea. So we've got Te Kura Takiwa Opononi, the Taina first. They look lovely this morning.
Oh, they
eh?
certainly did. Their kākahu, absolutely beautiful red, or whero, I should say, and because their bodices, the young little kōtiros there, black, white and red, absolutely tahua, I thought. Absolutely lovely, which you'd have seen, because I did stream the little bit of that pohiri coming in and them doing their waiata, so you'll see them. Absolutely lovely.
Ka
Lovely.
Ka
Right.
pai.
So, wow.
Oh, hey.
And we've got
Oh, also at
The Pacifica.
there's a Pacifica Rōpū.
Ropu.
Pacifica Rōpū from Jean Batten Primary to perform during the boat.
There, yeah, which, wow, like the times we won't...
Pacifica.
Oh, wow.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, it should be really good. Should be awesome. So that's very interesting. Yeah.
I think
So-
it must be time for waiata.
I think
You
so.
We'll have a waiata.
We have a waiata now,
and we'll
whānau.
go and have a ihu where the whānau is having cup of tea.
Aye.
And then come back.
And then we'll come back.
Okay.
We'll get back to you, okay? So stay with us, guys.
Kia ora whānau.
Kia ora.
Paki paki mai, mga tanga sapat. Paki paki mai, mga tanga sapat. Paki paki mai, mga tanga sapat. Tahi dua taru pa. Anai tere pate hapura. Anai tere o atarika. Mese tahi waiata pare kareka. Hea hate nei mate ranga tira. Arara maira, pakarongo maira.
Aneira, ko te papa, te uncle no te paua ka whakata. Whakarongo mai ki te reo Māori, te reo Pākehā. Kāti, ka tauha, te rangi ka tauha, te papa ko tauha, te hōtaka, a te iwi, e kia nei. Ko te utu, paki paki mai, puraku.
Te tohu he rangi mai, e. Ko te kai he kōrero. Ko te mahi, he maranga i te whina. Tamari ki mā, ka tika te tūranga tira. Hei rau kura.
tia koe nei te ara e mara takaheia 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 ma te reo e ranga ranga inga tia tamariki ma mātua ma e ha te kōrero kara whiua te tohu he rangi mari e ko te kai he kōrero ko te mahi he raranga i te tira
Oh, kia ora whanau, and we are back at Opononi, Te Kura Takiwā or Opononi for the Kapa Hakas, South Hokianga Junior Kapa Haka. And we've got our first ropu apa, ne?
Ai, te ropu tuatahi. So first we have Te Kura Takiwā o Opononi ngā taina, ko te ingoa o te ropu, ngā ngaru eti o Hokianga. Oh, the little waves of Hokianga.
Oh, a tāhua, and they are too, they're beautiful. Look at them.
Ei, ko te kaitātaki tāne weremu te tai, Waiora and Whitireia Gemmell Turner, Caleb Garland Jackson. Ka pai katoa ngā kaitātaki tāne ko ngā kaitātaki wahine, ko Paunamu Ariki Hauraki Pedersen, rawa ko te āwhio Gemmell Turner.
Ka pai.
Ko te kaihaka haere, ngā kaia ko katoa o te kura tuatahi. Huri ake tātou.
Kei aku uti, kei aku rahi, mai mai haere mai ki tēnei rā makanui, i ngā mahi a tāne rore me hime rehia. Ki te kaipapa e ki ana ko te Ahurea o te Tonga o Hokianga ara, te South Hokianga Festival. Me mehi ki te kahanga, ora nei te tīmatanga me te hapa me te tonga mea katoa. Ki te whare tūnei, te papa e hora nei, tēnā kōrua. Ki ngā mate e hukua, te wā haere, hoki atu rā, hoki mai kia tāre te kangi ora e tau. Ki ngā karani, ngā whaia, ngā mātua, me ngā apuna maha, te ngā mea te tāre, te rānei, tēnā koutou, o tina, tēnā tāre katoa. Me nui no mahi, ke iwa i te awa ki te aingane, o reira, me te tuahau, tēnei, ko Jade ki tupe tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Whirinaki, e no hotongai ana hei whakanei whakarani, no pākana whuki ahau, no ngā tangi reo. Anei aku kai aku, taku kai aku no te rānei, ko Nepio.
Kia ora, Nepio, kore kua tōku ingoa, no onga atu. Morning everyone and welcome to the long-awaited South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival. It was awesome to see so many people here today. I think you were all there to sign the time to watch all the amazing time that people will be performing. But first things first, plastic rules. And then the event that we have to evacuate the hall, please leave your belongings where they can be what they are, and make your way quickly and clean in harmony to the exit point. One is over there at our back door, at our front door, at all our exit stations. And there are bathrooms behind the hall entrance in the primary school block, besides the library next to the staff room and wheelchair accessibility toilet in the block.
We understand that people will take lots of photos and videos of their time to share some memories and share with family. We couldn't make it safe. However, please be mindful of the safety of others who are not permitted to be photographed, video recorded, or posted on social media. Without further ado, please put your hands together for our hosting club whose Taylor group will start our festival. Who might come from here? RSC o Hokianga.
Hey,
Ko arai te uru rao konini wa ki te moana. Ko te kura takiwa o Opononi ki te whenua tihei Māori ora. E tika ana ngā mihi katoa ki a koutou kei ngā pou o Hokianga. Ko ta tū mai ki te tautoko i tō tātou ao pōpōtanga e te whanau haruru mai te pare. Ko tau mai ko te waiata whakamutunga e te whanau ka tae te ki. Hai. Pauri. Ko te waiata whakamutunga nei he waiata tawhito. Pena e mohi ana koe tēnā, tū mai, waiata tahi ki te taha o tātou mokapuna nei. Ko te ingoa e ngā iwi o te motu. He waiata e whakatinana ana i ngā wahanga katoa o te pōwhiri. Nō reira, kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, nau piki mai, nau kake mai ki te kura takiwa o Opononi. Katau, ko tau mai rā. Ki raro, kia wiri hope! Tūtone! E ngā iwi o te motu e. Hurraue! E ngā iwi o te motu, taranga tiara e, moiri tiara. Taranga ngā iwi o te tai, toke rau e, taranga tiara waiata.
The big red signs of little men there, and there. And there are toilets all throughout the school. We've got some here in the hall. We've also got some just by the staff room. And we've got some in the container area, also just behind our library. And we've got a Kaumātua Kapa area in our staff room. And Kai here on the left-hand side, so make sure he's going to check that out. Alright, so our next Ropu. Also,
welcome back. We're here at Te Kura Takiwa Opononi today for the South Hokianga Junior Kapa Hakas e tēnei rā, which has absolutely been awesome. We have just had Te Kura Takiwa or Opononi on, and so they had the tainer up first and then the tuakana, which was absolutely awesome. The little young ones, they were absolutely great to watch. There was the first ropu they had, there was about 24, a couple of dozen of them in there, only little ones there doing their thing. Our little kōtiro did the poi and our little tāne Aroha Mai did the haka. It was absolutely awesome. And then after that we had the tuakana on. They did their couple of numbers there, which was really great. As you can hear, they're taking the roof down, whānau, which is what they did for the haka as well. You can hardly hear. Okay, we're going to...
Ooh, I think Matau won that one, eh? What do you reckon they do? Straight into Hokianga, our tainer, and then following me is our tuakana. And then we're going to tuku te mauri ki te hula o Rāwini. And then we'll be done hopefully by about 1:40. We're going to have our pakia tuna, and then we'll be ready to roll on now. Cool, our new next song is here. Let's put our heads together for our next ropu. Te kura o Waimai. Ko ngā kaitata ki tāne, ko Jazan Reihana Merch. Ko ngā kaitata ki wahine, ko Janita Raimahina, rawa ko Hirangi Makiha. Ko ngā kaipapa ko Pai Mai o Riwai Werehu, rawa ko Tani Renee, ko te Tūwaki, ko Jenny Colbrook. Ko whakatere manawa, Kaiea, ngā maunga, ko whakatere te maunga tūturu, ko Waima, ko Moihaunga awa, ko Mātetera, ko Tuhirangi, ko Raukura, ko Otātara, ko Moihaunga marae, ko te Māhiri te iwi, ko Tūtako te Pakaka, ko Māturi Matakaura te waka, ko te Hokianga Nui Aku pe te moana. O mai te Pakipaki, me te kura o Waimai. One more time, come on, tingle, piki, paki, paki, Hokianga.
tangi te titi, ko tangi te koko, ko tangi hoki a hau. E te whare e tūnei, tēnā koe. E te papa ki waho, tēnā koe. Nō reira, tēnā koro. E ngā mate, te kua, te Nō reira, tēnā koutou, ki ora mai tātou.
Nā nei rā, uri o
Te Kura Takiwā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 9 a.m. at the hall.
E haere aka nei whānau, welcome back to Te Kura Takiwā o Opononi, where we have the 2022 Junior Kapa Haka Festival going on. Now, we've just had Waima exit the stage, and oh, what an absolute awesome performance by Te Kura o Waima. I must tell you, their kākahu, the wahine, the kōtiros looked absolutely ātāhua. I'll just describe to you their kākahu. They had white, black with the white feathers around them, and absolutely beautiful. They looked absolutely lovely whānau. Now, they have just exited, and our next kura up is Te Kura o Opononi, and I will just go through with you their, I have lost Lani, she's around here somewhere, but never mind. Like I said, Te Kura, oh, where are we? Aroha mai, here we go. All right, the Ropu, Turua o Mata, Kai Takatane, Te Hauru, Woodbury and Richard Toa. Here we go, here comes Lani. She's much better at the kupu than I am, whānau. I'm sure you'll understand her better than you will me. So I will give you to Rani, who is going to, o Manaia, our next kura up.
Oh, ai. Ko te kura o Manaia, ko te rōpū, ko tūroa o nā mata. Ko te kaitātaki tāne, te Huiro, Woodbury and Richard Toia. Ko ngā kaitātaki wahine, Maraia, Hohaia, Tole Afua and Tāhure Witehira. Ko te kaihaka haere, Pikitia Wikaira and Leilani Wikaira. Tumuaki, Tarati Leaf Buckley, rao ko Michelle Sarich. Ko te kura kaupapa Māori o te Tonga o Hokianga.
Aye.
Ne?
Awesome. O Manaia.
Oh, no.
O Manaia.
Oh, no. Aroha mai whānau.
You're doing the wrong one.
Ko te,
try again.
Ko te kura a iwi o Manaia, e whai ake nei. Ko te kaitātaki tāne, ko Janero Korewha, ko te kaitātaki wahine, ko Willow Mina Filia, ko te kaihaka haere, ko Corina Filia, ko te tumuaki, ko John Smith. He kura pai, tēnei te kura o Okutama. My sons went to Omanaia Kura.
Oh.
Beautiful school. Oh, beautiful. One of our original kura here in Waima. Beautiful whānau there. So I'm looking forward to seeing my ira mutu on stage, nice. My nieces and nephews.
Ka pai. Actually, you know, when I was a wee one myself, I remember I always came out home for holidays. And I always wanted to go to Omanaia Kura, but I never had the opportunity. But yes, I did. So tell me, what do you think of Waima?
Oh, awesome. Stunning. Oh, the costumes were beautiful.
I was just telling the whānau about their kākahu, absolutely ātāhua.
Yeah, and it was quite, seemed like quite a lot going on for the young tamariki, you know, quite advanced, lots of movement going on there, but they did well,
They did awesome, absolutely. And I was watching our little kōtiro in the front there, you know, and I tell you what, she knew the kupu, she was onto it, wasn't she? She was onto it, really was.
Oh, lovely.
Ātāhua. Okay, whānau, well, that's our next kura that's up, Omanaia, so we're going to cut to a break and we'll put on a waiata for you.
Kia ora tātou.
Kia ora.
Anei ta koto
School, and as I said before, the next kura is Te Kura Iwi o Manaia. Looking forward to having a look at them.
Aye, we certainly are. And I was just looking around the hall. You know, it's quite full here.
Yeah.
You know, so
we're on a break, but it's still quite full.
Yeah, a lot of the whānau have gone out, but gosh, when everybody's in here, it's chocker. It's actually good.
And it's neat, you can see there's a big space where everyone can sit down, so this must be all Manaia whānau here.
Yeah.
All came in and got their spot early.
Yeah, aye whānau, so looking forward to seeing Manaia perform for sure. That is where my daddy is born and buried over there. Omonai, he's at the Urupai over there. And his last sister, Auntie Hira, Nanny Hira, I should say, or Nanny Hilda, as some know her.
Is Nanny Hira your papa's sister? Well, Claire, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So, very well tied up to Omonai. She is, Runs in the whānau.
Ai, pono marika.
Look forward to tautokoing Omonai kura.
Ai, ka paira.
Ka pai. Okay,
well, we're waiting for them to come in. I'm not sure how far they are away. There's some activity going on
behind us, whānau. So I would say that's the kura getting ready to make their appearance. And, things are sort of... everybody's starting to come back in again now.
Ka paira. It's so good to see all of our whānau, it's awesome at these sorts of things where our tamariki bring us all together.
They do.
I've had heaps of kihis and hellos to uncles and aunties and nannies and
everybody.
And there goes another one of our whānau want to kiss someone else.
There you go. So whānau, after Omonai, we've got a 15-minute break, and then we'll be back with the Pacifica Ropu. So that'll be interesting.
Yeah, ka noho ai mo te I'm going to race off and see if I can find that chowder that's in my mind, and then come back and watch the Pacifica Ropu. But our music's going down, so I think they're coming in shortly. I think they're still rounding them up there. Ka pai.
So anyway, whānau, I hope you've enjoyed so far, with the few groups. We've had, how many ropus have we had so far? 1, 2, 3. So this is our 4th ropu for this morning.
They're going through fast too,
They are.
Man, it's awesome.
They really are. I don't know whether it's because, they're young, they're young and fitter, and because they make me laugh. Like, I know they're just babies and they're just starting, they've got to start from somewhere, and I watch them, and they're all over the place. The thing I love about it is they don't care. They don't care they're at a time, or at a beat, or they don't care. They just carry on regardless, not like us. We don't like making mistakes.
It's lovely, eh?
It is.
Hang on. Our MC's having kōrero whānau, so we'll jump off and have a look at Omonai kura. Ngā mihi kia tātou.
Kia ora.
Reach the destination of our next performance. To good old Omonai.
Ko te ingoa o te opu, ko te kura āiwi o Omonai. Ko te kaitara ki tāne, ko Lanero Korewha. Ko te kaitara ki mahere, ko Muna Whiria. Ko ngā haere ko Lorenzo Whiria. E ko te tūmoaki o te kura ko John Smith. Ko mai te paki ko te kura o Omonai.
Te Kuratakiwa o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival.
Ai, marika, wow.
Te marika,
Wow.
unbelievable. They were absolutely...
Kairunga
I'm
noa atu
speechless.
te kura o Manaia, not just because my babies
No, me
went
neither,
there, eh?
no,
Not
no,
just because
no,
that's
not
our
being
whānau,
biased,
eh?
no,
Not at all, no.
No,
But,
they just...
whānau,
I reckon.
te ātāhua hoki, hey, like, e tae te rongo te katoa o ngā kupu, e tae te kite, we could hear everybody in unison.
Formation, they were in formation when they were, absolutely, you can't fault them. You cannot fault them. As you can hear the crowd going mad,
Ātāhua katoa.
Absolutely. Well worth watching. Like I said, I'm not being biased, but so far, I have to say that they were absolutely lovely. And they've got quite a big group. They had quite a big group there, eh?
Aye. You know what I think too, Fires, that they're all a whānau, they noho as a whānau, so all the babies were all in sync, and you can tell that as a whānau they look after each other, they're very close, because it certainly came through in that performance. It was awesome.
It was absolutely beautiful. Well, we've got a 15-minute break now.
Yep.
We've got a 15-minute break now, and then they're going to have the Pacifica Roku that's coming up.
Oh, yes. Yeah, so there's a 15-minute break for whānau, and we're all going to run out and
grab a hangi
and give a quick hi. And then we'll come back to the Pacifica group, which is here visiting from
where they from?
Jean Batten Primary. Where's that? Whangarei or?
I'm not too sure.
Jean Batten Primary.
Oh, yeah. Must be whangarei. Yeah. So they're going to be back on. Okay, whānau, we're going to throw you back to a waiata, put a waiata on, and we'll catch you soon. Kia ora.
See you soon.
Tarua niwa niwa itene hunga katohu kamahue te tiro hanga Kamata pore kapu kato de ngako kuatai te oranga koia nei te utu Kia manawa kuaka Kia manawa piharo Hei te wati toki Katutaki Kamata pore kapu kato de ngako kuatai te oranga koia nei te utu o te aroha Oh, marire ki te maunga Oh, marire ki te whenua
Don't care where,
Te Korataki wā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall. Te Korataki-wā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall. Te Korataki-wā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall.
Kia ora whānau, we're back at the Kapa Haka Ahurea in Opononi, and I'm here now with Nari Leonard.
Aye.
And Fire. Next up, we've got this. So, Fire Gladdy and I were having a look, and I was saying, "Where's Jean Batten Primary? Is that in Whangarei or?"
Carl, Jean Batten's in Mangere, Auckland. Our connection to Opononi is I'm a Leaf. My grandfather is Tingi Harding Leaf, and my mama lives locally, used to teach here at Opononi, and so basically brought my tamariki from my school home to share a bit of their cultures with them.
Oh, that's awesome. It's the first, so my boy's between 27 and 16 now, but you know, I remember being one of the mums and putting the moko stamps on and doing all of this, you know, but I've never seen a Pacifica rōpū come. So,
it was a little bit of an idea with the organising committee. You know, we're probably not very strong in our kapa haka for Jean Batten, but we're really strong in our Pacifica culture.
Oh.
So today we've got our Cook Island, our Tongan and our Samoan cultures represented on stage.
Oh,
Yeah.
neat. So all three in one performance.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's cool.
Yeah.
So how long are you here for? And have you had a chance to have a look around, show the tamariki around?
We arrived Tuesday night. Yesterday we went to Mania and then out to Tane Mahuta, out Signal Station and walked the beach. So I had a pretty tired crew last night. And then even after this, we'll make sure we get out there and do some swimming.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Oh, that's
Yeah.
different from Mangere, and it's so cool to hear that those tamariki have been out on our beach and
Yes.
not a whole lot of people out there, eh?
Yeah. So nice to be here and thanks for having us.
Oh, thank you so
Okay.
much, Fire. And before you go, can you just let our whānau know who the leaders of the group are? And so what we do usually is we say, these are the leaders, the males and the females, and who taught them. So can we quickly do that?
So the leader of our girls is Eva. Eva is our young wahine, and from the boys is Junior Caval.
Thank you, Fire. Oh, let's take our seat and have an awesome performance from your tamariki. Ngā mihi. Thank you.
Kia ora.
And if you don't claim him by the end of the day, I'll
Whānau,
leave it at
next up is the Pacifica group.
Kia ora. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that was neat to have a talk to.
So you found out where this Jean Batten
Mangere.
Oh, whangare.
Yeah.
Mangere. Oh, awesome.
Oh, here they come.
Here they come, whānau.
Kia ora, whānau.
Kia ora.
This group is a group of, we've got Tonga, Cook Island and Samoan, all mixed together here. And our players of the group are the leads, so we're all fun. So yeah, without further ado, everyone, put your hands together for Jean Batten School.
ki ngā whakamekite ka kino tonu. Whakamaro roto moni koe tai tai rere ki mo tonu. Ofa ki mo whewhia e ki whainga i ma whakamoko. mofi o Samoa, ko te tai lava le susu mai o le a mātou whaafia.
Time
Te Koratakiwa o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall.
Kia ora whānau. Wow, that was exciting. Wasn't it exciting, Nani?
It was
I
awesome.
That's how they were doing it, whānau.
Gladdy, what do you reckon? Trip to Raro.
I reckon that was absolutely awesome. They were great, whānau. And the crowd just went crazy. Everyone's just yelling. And,
and everyone was smiling.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know, like my cheeks are
I know.
swollen, smiling so much
Mine
the whole
too.
time. Yeah.
Mine too, no. It's absolutely awesome. Totally different from,
Yeah.
you know, from
Yeah.
ours. Like there's a lot of yelling and a lot of stamping and all of that going on. It's just
Good energy.
awesome energy.
Yeah.
Awesome energy.
And like, you know, we have our witty and how
Aye.
like I was watching how graceful those
They
girls
are.
with their
They are
hand
very-
movements.
Absolutely, our tahua, beautiful, yeah. Even the boys, you know. I was watching one little, well, he's not little, he was one little tane down there, and he must have been the voice for the tane, because he'd give it a that sort of thing. Throws that in. Absolutely beautiful.
Awesome.
Whānau.
It's also, I think, feel like piki te wairua, piki te ora after that whānau. And it was cool to see everyone here was just loving it. And we've got a full hall again. Who have we got up next? Oh, here we go. Te kura kaupapa Māori o te Tonga o Hokianga. Now,
Have we got the...
have we got their kōrero? I think we do, but I do know that that their kaiako are amazing. Yes, here we go.
No.
So ko te kaitātaki tāne ko Huiro Woodbury, rawa ko Richard Toia. Ko te kaitātaki wahine ko Maraia Hohaia, Tole Awha and Tahuri Witehira. Ko te kaihaka haere Pikitia Wikaira, rawa ko Leilani Wikaira. Now these two are just stunning fire.
Okay.
So look, I'm
Okay.
expecting great things
Great
from
things
this
from
rōpū
these?
because
Okay.
those two tutors are stunning. Ko te tumuaki Taratsi Leaf Buckley, rawa ko Michelle Sarich. They're just taking the stage now, whānau, and te kura kaupapa o te Tonga o Hokianga.
Hokianga. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
E mi tēnei ki te kaupapa, ko hoko kota ia i a tātou, ara ko te Ahurea Kapa Haka tēnā. Tēnei mātou te mākua tukura e mihana. Tō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Pepu tōreira ka wākawa, tēnā miha me ka rere o nā uru. Me te tino, kuru kuru e te au, e tukurai nai nai nui, ke aramai piro, e waranga karakia, e warenga karakia, e ua taua, ka miha miha ki ka patua nuku wā, taua te papa.
We're going to go one more performance after this line, and then we're going to Tuku Leoni to the next kura that's going to be hosting our Kapa Haka.
Te korataki wā o Opononi will be
stunning. Oh, look
hosting
at
the
these
South
ones, and then here in
Hokianga.
the background you can see the tuakana of te kura kaupapa Māori, o te Tonga o Hokianga. That was the ka pai. So this is
That was the Taina, the younger group earlier.
so the Taina leaving the stage on that side, and this is the Rōpū tuakana who are coming through now. Dudes.
Yeah. There they go.
Wow, I just want to say
Absolutely beautiful.
Taina is amazing.
Absolutely beautiful, eh? You know, clear. You could hear everything that everyone, you know, oh, everyone in sync was beautiful.
It was, and they looked absolutely stunning. I just can't think of that, the colour that they had their feathers and their bodices in.
Turquoise, is it? And green?
With green, yeah,
Yeah,
but there's a
that
special
light
name
blue.
for that colour,
Oh,
eh?
I
Like,
don't know.
yeah, it's absolutely a tahua whānau. Anyway, if you're watching it live, you'll see the colour that I'm talking about. I'm trying to explain to you guys. So, well, we're nearly getting through our day, whānau.
Yeah. So the next kura that we've got, they just filed past and they'll be getting ready out there. That's te kura kaupapa Māori o te Tonga Hokianga ngā tuakana. And then
the
tukuna
handing
te,
over of the
the Māori.
Māori.
So at the front of the stage, there's you might be able to see a kete there.
With the Māori
And then that kete is a Māori stone. So that gets passed to different kura in Hokianga.
Aye.
And next year it's going to be at Rawene.
Aye, so it's going to Te Kura o Rawene, the Māori, and that's where it'll be next year.
Aye. It's a lovely spot there too at Rawene.
Rawene.
They've got a big,
Oh, yes,
yeah,
right.
nice
Yeah, it's
in
not
the,
far
next
across.
to, near the water. It'll
Aye,
be
yeah.
lovely.
Lovely, yeah. Across from the campus there. I know.
Aye, and then Himene Krakia Hakamutunga. So all our kura have to be finished by 2 o'clock.
o'clock.
To catch buses and that to get home.
Yeah.
It's been a lovely day.
It's been
though, eh?
awesome. It certainly has. Everybody's sort of mingling around. The little bubbers are banging into you, but they're all having fun. They're all enjoying themselves, eh? Yeah.
And it's gone fast too, eh?
It
'Cause
has.
the speed of the Rōpū going through this feels
Yeah.
like it's been a fast stage.
It
to be
has.
honest.
Normally, oh well, I guess their seniors is totally different with the seniors, eh? You know, we're still there at 6 o'clock in the evening with the seat and all of that, and plus there's no judges. So I'm, you know,
Aye.
no judges. So
And that's the thing
time
I
has
love
gone really
about
quick.
the Hokianga Kapa Haka is that there's not a competition.
No,
Hey.
no, it's not about getting up there and having a go. Yeah, showing our talents, their up and coming talents.
Aye, and
Beautiful.
whanaungatanga,
Aye,
I think
yeah.
it's more about coming
Yeah,
together.
manaakitanga, whanaungatanga.
Aye.
Sharing the love. Sharing the
Aye.
love, whānau, is like what we've been doing. And unfortunately, we missed out on the hangi, so never mind, never mind. There's queues out there by all the kai things, eh?
You
caravans.
didn't get near them, but that's quite good for our whānau.
Ka pai.
Yeah.
All right then, whānau. Well,
they're saying take a seat before the
getting
next
ready.
Rōpū, so it sounds like they're coming. These will be a highlight, this group, I'm sure.
Yeah,
the
they will, the
tuakana
tuakana.
at the
We're going
Hokianga
from the
kura.
Taina, the younger ones, then. Yeah, let's see, bring it on, you biggies.
Yeah.
Eh? That's what they will be saying, whānau. Bring it on. So.
And that haka tautoko was
Oh,
beautiful, eh? At the end of the
massive.
Taina, the whole tuakana Rōpū
yeah.
stood up to do a haka tautoko, and oh man, it was goosebumps katoa. You could feel that, eh?
You could, the wairua.
He was in that one.
Certainly could,
Oh, here
whānau.
they come. Koreri
Right.
tātai.
Okay.
Kia
See
ora
you
whānau.
soon.
All right, are we ready? Are we ready? I love the hype. We're going to keep it up to our last performance, and it's going to go all your these things so they can put on any performance for us, all right?
koe. Tū, kia, whakatā. Ki mua. Take
Te Korataki Wā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, 4:30, 9 a.m. at the hall.
Mai anō whānau. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that noise in the background, but that's the haka tautoko going on.
It's stunning.
Woo, it's absolutely... The hairs on the back of my neck are standing up at this moment. Standing up, so it's awesome.
Oh, stunning, and to see Pikitia up there, the tutor of the Ropu, reading that haka. It's beautiful, whānau. Sorry, I was a bit distracted there. E mauana te hi te wana.
They're still going.
Me te mea no hoki. Yeah, and there's another one happening.
Right down the middle, coming down the middle of the floor there. Absolutely amazing. My hair's standing up all over my arms.
Oh, but this is the magic.
This is awesome, beautiful. And that was the tuakana for, what was our kura, te kura kaupapa Māori or
Tonga.
Oh yeah, Tonga, Hokianga, the tuakana. Absolutely beautiful. Woo-hoo.
Oh, that was stunning. And you know, that's the magic of Hokianga whakapapa.
I reckon.
Oh, now we've got a matua standing up. Beautiful.
Replying. Absolutely lovely. Yeah. Oh, they can still hear us anyway. She's distracted again, my mate. Oh, you will be able to see this if you're watching the stream, whānau.
I hope so.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Nice.
Oh,
yeah, it's still going.
I just feel a bit rude talking through the men's haka, you know.
Wow.
Kia wātea wai he.
And go very quietly anyway, whānau. We don't want to disrupt him. But
it's a long one.
It is. It is a long one.
Oh, right.
Kia.
Oh, whānau, that was amazing. The haka tautoko, I know it's hard for you all to hear that, but we're standing right next to where it's happening, so I didn't want to be talking through that haka. That's the magic of it, the way all of our tamariki stood up for that haka tautoko from all of the schools. It was stunning.
Amazing, absolutely amazing, whānau. Now they're going to hand over the a plant to the Pacifica Ropu that came down from Mangere, as we found out. This team here.
Yeah.
They're going to get a rako. She's going to hand them over to rako before the Māori is handed over to Rawene. Aye. Yep.
So yeah, that's
what's going to happen now,
happening
whānau.
next day. The Māori's going to Rawene.
Aye, yeah. But before that, she's going to give the rako out to the Pacifica Ropu that came down from Mangere, Jean Batten Kura. She's going to give them a rako to take back with them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and then the handing over of the Māori to Te Kura Rawene will happen after that.
Ka pai. Every kura got a rako.
Aye, yep.
Hey, and that's lovely
that's
that
awesome.
they can go back and plant that in their school grounds and, you know.
In memory of the Hokianga.
Aye.
Here we go. Behind us, whānau. They were absolutely beautiful. I enjoyed them, the Pacifica. You know, they were... And doing all of these things here they were absolutely stunning.
Was.
Made me want to get up and join them.
Yeah,
hey. Yeah. It was absolutely lovely. Yeah, so here we go. They've got
now it looks like they're going over to the Māori Stone kaupapa whānau, so we'll go back to the stage for that. Ngā mihi kia tātou e hui hui mai hono mai te rānei from the Hokianga Kapa Haka, Ahurea Kapa Haka o te Tonga o Hokianga ngā mihi atu kia koutou kia tātou. Kia ora rā.
Kia ora.
E mihi ane tangi ana ki tēnei ko tā mauri. E rua tau e noho ana ki wainga i a mātou. I tara nei ko hiki nā tua ia ka ria ki nāke. Ko te hao tā mauri, ka tukuna ki tarangi e tuiho nei, ka tukuna ki ta whenua e ta whato wakeni. Ka tukuna ki runga ki ngā whare o ta wai o Hokianga whakapaukara kia ka hoki pēnei mai, ka tiki nātu, ka tukua, ki roto ki a wene, ki te nui o te mahuri hure mo tērā tau te tau heke mai. Nō reire, mihi ana ki aia, e tangi ana ki aia. Hare atu ki te rao mātua. A nō reira hui nau nei tō tātou me whare. A koutou te kura o rāwene tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou o tēnei ko te tuku o te mauri me tōna hākatua ki roto ki a koutou. Nō reira tēnā koutou katoa.
Me mihi ki te rangi e tui o nei, te whaia o atua nuku e tātako nei. Ora ia te mai no ki runga i te moana, toia mai te hoka kunea mai. Ki te tākotoranga i tākotora i te waka. Ki te tākotoranga i tākotora i te waka.
Thank you all so much for coming out today. It's a privilege proud of seeing you all. Drive safe, everyone. Make sure you don't forget your tips.
Te Korataki wā o Opononi will be hosting the South Hokianga Kapa Haka Festival today, Pōwhiri, 9 a.m. at the hall.
Kia ora mai tātou whānau. We're back. And that's us. That is us for I tēnei rā. And what an awesome day it has been.
Beautiful
Just to
day.
Wrap it all up, wrap everything up. All the kuras that attended came here today. Te kura takewa o Opononi, of course, the Hokianga. Te kura o Waima.
Aye.
Te kura o Omanaya.
They were a highlight, just saying.
I
They were a
agree
highlight.
with her. Yes, I agree with her. And of course, the manuhiri all the way from Mangere.
That was
The
neat,
Pacifica
eh?
Roku from Jean Batten Primary. Oh, that was absolutely awesome. I really enjoyed that. And
it
then,
was good.
Yeah, and then of course our te kura kaupapa Māori o te Tonga o Hokianga, the Teina and the Tuakana, absolutely a tahua.
What a way to finish the
What
day
a
with
way,
those tuakana.
yeah,
Eh? Oh.
absolutely brilliant.
Stunning. It was like a matatini performance. A lot of that, you know.
It was, eh?
And like you could hear them all.
Yeah.
You could
Clear
understand them.
as,
Yeah,
yeah.
beautiful.
And the good thing about it too, when they came onto the stage, they were all, disciplined in formation sort of thing, like in the army, all in formation. No, very well. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed all of the kuras today. The performances.
It was beautiful, and thank you for being my mates.
Hey, well, I don't know if I'll be back next time, but anyway, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And to
It
all
was
of,
lovely fun, though, eh?
yeah, it was. And, the whānau that all came, now they're all gone now. You wouldn't know they were here, whānau.
Everyone's run off to the
just
buses
gone.
to get back to where they've got to be.
Catch their buses.
It is weird, eh? Look, it's empty from being full.
Aye, very empty. And of course, next year, the Modi, it's going to be at Te Kura o Rawane.
Yeah.
So that's where it'll be all happening there next year.
Yeah, that'll be a
whānau.
nice spot down there.
Beautiful, eh? Yes, it will be. It will be very nice. Right down by the water.
Well, it looks like we're almost the last ones here, mate. I think that's us,
so.
eh?
They've wrapped it up there, so I think our mate is signalling us now to wrap it up here.
And tune in tomorrow to Tautoko FM for our. We've got a kaupapa on tomorrow about the whānau who are on the Māori wards, the candidates.
10 till 12, isn't it, Lani?
Yeah, but you know what? I'm having trouble finding anyone to come over and have a yarn. So I'm hoping that we'll. That's what I'm off to do next. Actually,
okay. All
is
right.
waha some people and see if they can.
Oh, cool. Okay.
We'll be there. We'll be there.
Okay, whānau, well that's us for I tēnei rā.
Okay.
Shout out to the Tautoko staff here who once again have done it again. And that's us till next year, eh?
Aye.
Yeah.
Kia ora rā whānau.
Kia
Thanks
ora
for joining us.
whānau.
Ngā mihi.
Share the love.